All right, well, welcome everybody on behalf of the Johnson Space Center, all the great women and men that work out there. My name is Brian Kelly. I'm the Director of Flight Operations at JSC, and welcome here to Ellington Field. We're here to celebrate the latest milestone in restoring our Mission Operations Control Room to its old glory.
The Apollo program, and more importantly, the men and women who made it happen, should be remembered for the historic accomplishment they made, and it's terrific that we're restoring the Apollo MOCR to that time, back to the Apollo time, so people can see it and remember, and it be a fitting reminder of that historic time.
What an amazing day as we relive the legacy, honor, and the legendary accomplishments associated with historic mission control. The restoration of the consoles is coordinated by NASA Johnson Space Center with funds raised by Space Center Houston, as you've heard. We're a nonprofit science center, but also the official visitor center of NASA Johnson Space Center.
We're celebrating the arrival of the first group of restored consoles from the Kansas Cosmosphere in Hutchinson, Kansas.
The control center. It was dark, it was dusty, and I mean, it hurt me to see that. And today, here, we're doing something a whole hell of a lot better than what I gave Brian.
Right now, we're going to open the nose of the Guppy, and you'll get a chance to see, at least in the pack stage, some of these consoles. We'll be pulling them out over on this side here in just a little bit. So with that, David, open her up.
Take it back. I don't like it. Too clean. Cheated me.
Leave it alone, Helpman.
Are you go or no go?
Go, no, go. That's what everybody give me a green. You asked me for a green and a red. Give me a green whether you want it or not.
Man, they look pretty sharp to them. Yeah.
Bob Grilling, and I got here in 1962 and helped wire those things in. So it was back in the old days when I was crawling under the floorboards pulling cable. I gave the first tour of Building 30 with all of these things in it.
Why is that important?
Thank you very much. Yeah. Glad if there's something else you see, man. You come on this side. Labels, that kind of thing. We can.
I mean, did you hear the gentleman talk about
Rod.
how they use this?
I can try.
Yeah. Retrofit with the modern. Still have an old image of what the old ones were.
Get down. Come back to 9 years. Rod.
You know, they always flew, the Capcoms came over late. We went there about a month early to crank up the site. And so, of course, in those days, you know, we all had the crew cuts and the...